Learning has changed a lot. So on the education side, my opinion here is that in the next 2 years, virtual reality will be the next big change in how we deliver education. Virtual reality allows you to give the students an interactive experience and also be immersed in the learning. So one of the things we've lost when people stopped reading and started using smartphones is this sort of deep learning that happens when you really read something and get into it. Now, kids these days don't do that anymore. So I think virtual reality answers that in providing a fast option for them to get into this world and also be exposed to the concepts that you want to teach them, but in a lot more visual and interactive way. So the three technologies that we have on this is augmented reality, which is usually done through mobile devices like iPads and your phones, where a digital representation or digital world is overlaid over the physical world. From there, we have mixed reality, which is like the Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap glasses. Same as augmented reality, but here it's a wearable. So you're more immersed in the world. It's also more persistent, and it allows you to interact with the digital world like that. The most immersive of these is the virtual reality. In the high end, we have something like the HTC Vive or the Oculus. This allows you complete immersion, and everything you do happens in this virtual or digital world around you. On the lower end of that, you have something like Google Cardboard, which allows you to put in your phone and then have a virtual reality experience. Virtual reality allows you to jump into this scene or see what you're designing, if it's something mechanical, for example, on a real life scale in front of you. It allows you to walk around, interact with it, take it apart, test different things. So even if you just share it with clients, for example, I've seen samples where people are designing chairs and sending that to a client. The client can pull the whole thing apart, and it allows the designer to also explain to the client how things fit together, why certain things work or won't work, and why certain materials were chosen. In this course, which is the first sort of pilot that we're running, we have architecture, interior design, game design, 3D visualization, and animation. But the idea with this is that it will be deployed to all of the faculties. So for AIE, with such a big focus on design, specifically in architecture and mechanical, it just makes sense to embrace this technology and start applying it.